Your Excellency, Mr. Ahmed Abul Gate, Secretary General of the League of Arab States, Mr. Kamal Kishore, Special Representative of the UN Secretary General for Disaster Risk Reduction, distinguished ministers, heads of agencies, partners, colleagues, and delegates. It is my great pleasure to join you virtually today. I would like to begin by expressing my deep appreciation to the League of Arab States and all our UN partners for their strong collaboration in making this forum a reality. At the International Telecommunication Union, emergency telecommunications are at the heart of our mandate. For decades, ITU has supported member states in strengthening their disaster risk management capabilities, from developing and implementing national emergency telecommunication plans to enabling early warning systems, deploying satellite equipment to restore communications, and rehabilitation of telecommunication networks in the aftermath of disasters. We are pleased to be working with our colleagues within the Emergency Telecommunications Cluster, coordinated by our friends and colleagues in the World Food Programme. Today, we are entering a new era, one where prevention and preparedness must take priority. We know climate-induced hazards are intensifying, and nowhere is this more evident than in the Arab states. This is why the United Nations Secretary General's Early Warnings for All initiative is so transformative. ITU is proud to serve as the lead for Pillar 3, warning, dissemination, and communication, and we have already made substantial progress in Comoros, Djibouti, Iraq, Somalia, and Sudan, to name but a few. Ladies and gentlemen, this forum represents a milestone for this region. Over the next 2 days, you will discuss the best practices, regional cooperation and mechanisms, and financing models, as well as opportunities to harmonize standards and regulations. You will explore how digital technologies, from satellite systems to AI-enabled analytics, can strengthen last-mile alerting and save lives. Our shared vision is simple, yet powerful, to ensure that the region has every person covered by effective, reliable early warning systems by 2027. Achieving this requires sustained partnerships. The Arab region is demonstrating tremendous momentum and political will. We are here to accompany you. Allow me to thank all governments, regulatory authorities, UN agencies, mobile network operators, and regional organizations. Your leadership and cooperation are making a real difference in people's lives, and ITU stands ready to continue supporting you through technical assistance, policy development, and capacity building to ensure that early warnings reach everyone on time, every time, and everywhere. Thank you very much for this opportunity to address you.